The mirror never lied. Every animal trusted it. They came to see their strength, their beauty, their power. One day, a wolf stood before it. The mirror showed him a king, strong, feared, unstoppable. The wolf smiled. He stopped listening to warnings, stopped watching his back. I am untouchable, he believed. That night, he walked alone, proud, careless. The trap snapped. The mirror was silent. By morning, the forest learned the truth. Moral: when you start believing your image more than reality, danger doesn't need to chase you. You walk straight into it.